Welcome to a journey through the most fascinating and thought provoking ideas that have ever challenged our understanding of reality. In this video titled Breaking the Matrix Philosophical Theories That Challenge Reality, we will explore a range of concepts that push the boundaries of what we perceive as real and true. From the ancient musings of Plato to the cutting edge theories of quantum mechanics, we will delve into a world that questions the very fabric of our existence. Have you ever wondered if the world around you is actually real, or pondered the nature of your own consciousness? These aren't just questions for philosophers and scientists. They're the keys to understanding the mysteries of our existence. As young adults stepping into a complex world, it's vital to question, to think critically, and to explore ideas that expand our minds. We'll start by exploring the simulation theory, a concept that might make you question whether your life is a highly sophisticated video game. Then we'll delve into Solipsism, a philosophy that challenges the existence of anything outside our own minds. From there, we'll compare idealism and materialism, two contrasting views on what constitutes reality. Is it our thoughts or consciousness, as idealism suggests, or the physical world, as materialism argues? To deepen our understanding, we'll turn to Plato's allegory of the cave, a timeless metaphor that illustrates the difference between appearance and reality. Next, we will bridge the gap between ancient philosophy and modern science by exploring quantum mechanics and consciousness. This will lead us to Eastern philosophies, which offer a unique perspective on the nature of existence and reality. As we near the end of our journey, we'll dive into Existentialism, a philosophy that empowers us to find meaning in an absurd world. And finally, we'll explore the multiverse theories, where we ponder the existence of multiple, perhaps infinite universes. Throughout this video, we will not only explore these theories, but also extract valuable lessons from each. We'll see how these ideas can influence our daily lives, shape our thinking, and inspire us to view our world in new ways. So buckle up for an intellectual adventure that promises to be as enlightening as it is exciting. Let's break the matrix and discover what lies beyond the veil of our perceived reality. Imagine waking up one day to discover that everything you've ever known, your memories, experiences, the world around you, is part of a vast, intricate simulation. This idea, known as the simulation theory, isn't just a plot from a science fiction movie. It's a serious hypothesis considered by philosophers and scientists alike. The roots of simulation theory lie in technology's rapid advancement. As virtual reality becomes more sophisticated, it's not far-fetched to think that future civilizations could create simulations indistinguishable from reality. Some thinkers even suggest that the odds are higher that we're in a simulation right now than not. The implications of this theory are profound. If our reality is a simulation, what does that mean for our sense of self, free will, and the nature of the universe? It challenges the very foundation of our understanding of existence, yet it offers a unique perspective on the potential of human innovation and the mysteries of consciousness. But how does this apply to our everyday lives? If we consider the possibility that life is a simulation, it can change how we perceive our experiences and interactions. It could encourage us to question the status quo and to look beyond appearances, and to appreciate the complexity and wonder of the universe. Moving on, let's dive into solipsism, another mind-bending theory. Solipsism says that only one's mind is sure to exist. According to this view, the external world and other minds might not exist outside one's own consciousness. It's a radical perspective that puts the self at the center of understanding reality. While solipsism is often dismissed as impractical or extreme, it raises important questions about perception and knowledge. How do we truly know what exists beyond our own minds? This theory encourages introspection and a deeper understanding of our own thought and perceptions. In our daily lives, embracing a solipsistic viewpoint, even briefly, can enhance empathy and understanding by acknowledging that our perspective is not the only one. We become more open to the experiences and views of others. It teaches us the value of questioning and the importance of our own mental and emotional well-being. Next, we explore the debate between idealism and materialism. These are two philosophical viewpoints that offer contrasting ideas about the nature of reality. Idealism suggests that reality is mentally constructed or immaterial. For idealists, it's the mind and ideas that form the basis of all reality. On the other hand, materialism argues that only physical matter is real, and everything, including consciousness and human thought, is a result of material interactions. This debate has ancient roots, but remains relevant in modern discussions about consciousness and the universe. By understanding these perspectives, we can learn to appreciate the complexity of reality and the diversity of thought. It teaches us that there can be multiple ways to interpret and understand the world around us. As we consider these views, we turn to Plato's allegory of the cave, a powerful metaphor about perception and knowledge. In Plato's allegory of the cave, prisoners are chained in a cave, facing a blank wall, seeing only shadows projected on the wall from objects passing in front of a fire behind them. These shadows are the only reality they've ever known. However, one prison is freed and comes to the understanding that the shadows are not reality. When he returns to the cave to inform the others, they don't believe him, preferring to the reality that they already know. This allegory is a profound lesson about knowledge and perception. It teaches us that our understanding of the world is often limited by our experiences and that there's often a deeper truth beyond what we perceive directly. This can be applied to our lives in many ways, encouraging us to seek deeper understanding and not to be content with superficial explanations. Now let's bridge ancient philosophy with modern science as we explore quantum mechanics and consciousness. Quantum mechanics is a fundamental theory in physics that provides a description of the physical properties of nature at the scale of atoms and subatomic particles. It reveals a world where particles can exist in multiple states at once, where matter behaves both as particles and waves, and where the act of observing something can change its state. The connection between quantum mechanics and consciousness is a topic of ongoing debate. Some theorists suggest that consciousness plays a role in determining the state of particles, a concept that blurs the line between the observer and the observed. This intersection of physics and philosophy challenges our conventional understanding of reality. Understanding quantum mechanics teaches us about the unpredictability and interconnectedness of the universe. It encourages a sense of wonder and curiosity, pushing us to think about the mysteries of existence and our place in the cosmos. Next, we turn our attention to Eastern philosophies, which offer a distinct perspective on reality and existence. Eastern philosophical traditions such as Buddhism, Taoism, and Hinduism present concepts like the illusion of the self, the interconnectedness of all life, and the cynical nature of existence. These philosophies encourage us to look beyond material possessions and societal constructs, urging us to find balance and harmony within ourselves and with the world. They teach us the importance of mindfulness, compassion, and the transient nature of life. By incorporating these principles into our lives, we can find greater peace and understanding. As we near the end of our exploration, we delve into existentialism. This philosophy says that individuals are free and responsible agents determining their own development through the acts of will. Existentialism encourages us to find our own meaning in life in a seemingly indifferent universe. It teaches us the importance of personal authenticity, responsibility, and the freedom to choose our own path. By embracing existentialism, we learn to face life's challenges with courage and to create our own meaning in an uncertain world. Finally, we explore the multiverse theory. The multiverse theory proposed the existence of multiple universes or realities. According to these theories, our universe might just be one of an infinite number of universes, each with its own distinct laws of physics, timelines, and events. This concept not only expands our understanding of cosmology, but also offers a fascinating philosophical perspective on reality. The idea of multiple universes allows us to ponder the endless possibilities of existence. It challenges the notion of a singular objective reality, suggesting instead a more complex and diverse cosmos than we could ever imagine. This perspective can be both humbling and exhilarating, as it opens our minds to the vastness of the unknown. From a practical standpoint, the multiverse theories can teach us about the importance of perspective in a reality where countless possibilities exist. The significance of our choices and actions is both diminished and magnified. It encourages us to embrace the unpredictability of life and to appreciate the uniqueness of our own experiences. As we conclude this journey through philosophical theories that challenge reality, let's reflect on what we have learned. We have explored a range of ideas, from the ancient to the modern, each offering a unique lens through which to view the world. These theories encourage us to question, to wonder, and to seek a deeper understanding. Remember, the purpose of this exploration is not to provide definitive answers, but to open our minds to new possibilities. Each theory, each idea, is a step towards a broader understanding of ourselves and the universe. They teach us to be curious, to be thoughtful, and to appreciate the complexity and beauty of existence. In the end, whether we live in a simulation, a multiverse, or simply our own perception of reality, the true lesson lies in the journey of exploration. It's in the questions we ask, the ideas we ponder, and the discussions we engage in. So keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep pushing the boundaries of what you believe to be possible. This is how we grow, learn, and ultimately help to break the matrix of our own limitations. Thank you for joining me on this fascinating exploration of philosophical theories that challenge reality. May your journey of discovery continue long after this video ends.